Does this sound like you?
I have all these essential oils that are supposed to be great for my skin, but I don't know how to use them.
We're going to solve that problem by teaching you how to use essential oils for this DIY micellar water recipe. DIY micellar water is a gentle cleanser perfect for sensitive skin.
And you can use it to get rid of all of your excess makeup to make your skin feel nice and fresh.
First, you'll want to grab your recipe card and labels. And you'll need your Sleepy essential oil blend, copaiba, juniper berry, and your Simply Earth natural solubilizer. You'll also need a cup of water. You can also add a little bit of vegetable glycerin, which is optional, but it's amazing for your skin.
All right.
To start, we are going to be mixing our essential oils with our solubilizer. This is going to allow us to mix the essential oils with water. You can add 3 drops of Sleepy, 5 drops of copaiba, and 2 drops of juniper berry. Now we're going to add our 30 drops of natural solubilizer. This solubilizer is also a gentle surfactant. This is what's going to make this micellar water an effective cleanser. And we're going to stop to stir about every 10 drops or so to make sure that solubilizer and the oils actually get mixed together. Otherwise, the oils will separate and float on top of your water. All right, now we're going to add our cup of distilled water. Make sure you're using distilled water. It's going to help your recipe last longer and it's better for your skin. And you'll notice some bubbles. That's that natural surfactant properties of this solubilizer, which makes this DIY micellar water possible.
All right.
Now, if you have some vegetable glycerin at home, I recommend adding it now, about a half teaspoon. If you look at a lot of natural skincare products, glycerin is one of the top ingredients in it. It's really good for your skin. It helps improve the appearance of it. But if you don't have it, this is great as it is. Make sure the container you're putting it in is nice and clean to help promote the shelf life of your product. You can just pour it in. And to use it, you can apply a little bit to either your fingers and gently wash your face, or to a cotton pad and rub away makeup. And then be sure to label it. If your solubilizer and essential oils weren't properly mixed together, you'll notice some floating on top. If that happens, just remove it, because you don't want to put that concentrated essential oil right onto your skin. To get everything you need to make this recipe, go to simplyearth.com/box.
And make sure you hit that subscribe now button. You'll get all kinds of cool, amazing content like our hero course and also a free big bonus box. Thanks for watching.
So first we're going to mix our essential oils with our natural solubilizer. So we're going to start with...
I'm just like awkwardly.
She was like,
Because I thought it was coming. Okay. Ready?